Well, test number 2. We're doing a little smoke test to see if I can find a vacuum leak, which I didn't think I had. But, however, still over here at my buddy Bruce's house, and we have a smoke machine, homemade, for 25 bucks. And so we're feeding it into the brake booster, and that is just a bottle of soap. And what we can see here is, what you can see is smoke, which is coming out of the spring for the throttle plates. So that shouldn't be happening. And also there's a little bit of smoke that comes out of this plate right here. We spray a little soap on it, and you can see, you can hear it too, come out of that plate. So that's a small vacuum leak right there, and the big one to me, which is right in here. So one thing I did do is I adjusted this pin right here to close these throttle plates a little bit more, based on an input from one of the guys on the forums that was looking at my log files, because my air out of control valve is going to 0 when I close the throttle, and it shouldn't be doing that. So maybe I have the bushing in that that shaft through there is probably wore out, and it's sucking air past it, and it's definitely sucking air past this thing here. So maybe a new throttle body is in my future. So next time.